March 16, 1521.
When Philippines was discovered by Magellan, night across the big ocean, until we saw us on Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa noon.
The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla at wari-wari man.
Magellan landed at Cebu City. Rahang boat met him, they're really happy.
All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ. That's the beginning of our Catholic life.
But Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore, and then Magellan overcame.
Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to camouflage. Island we could not drop, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began with dawn, bullets and spears burst guns and cannons. When Magellan was in his land, stopped and cried.
Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call a doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Shall my mama die?
And that's the end of Magellan and the island of Mactan, long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.